Good day, tech readers. Today we'll be discussing the SkullCandy Crusher wireless headphones. Funny story, the first time I used the SkullCandy Crusher headphones was in 2013. I was at a tech convention in Las Vegas, and the SkullCandy people thought it would be really funny to turn the settings up on these headphones to their maximum when I put them on. Unfortunately, I ended up with a perforated eardrum, and I couldn't listen to headphones for the rest of my stay in Las Vegas, which was really terrible. Here's why that happened. Let me explain this to you. These are not your average headphones. They're great looking, they're sturdy, well built, and they've got a little bit of play in the cup that allows them to sit comfortably. The headband is really sturdy, well padded, but that's not their secret. The secret is the slider over here on the left-hand cup. Now let's not pretend that these headphones are all about audio quality. What these headphones are about is unbelievable bass response. So SkullCandy achieves that using something called dual channel haptic bass. So by adjusting this setting over here, you actually get a physical rumbling inside the headset itself. So you've got the teeth rattling and the bones rumbling, and it's probably produced the most bass of any headset you can imagine. You don't want to run them on maximum all the time, it's totally exhausting for your ears, but for those bass heads out there, nothing else comes close. Simple and easy to use, like most SkullCandy headphones. The controls are really easy to manage, and you can feel them with your fingers without having to see them when they're on your head. And best of all, we like that they come with a cable option, so when your battery runs out, you simply hook your cable in, and you're not losing your entire headphone experience in one. We also like that they come with a really nifty travel bag, and that these fold down kind of small. You'd be surprised how hard it is to find a good travel bag for your headphones if your headphones don't come with one. So for these, you'll be looking at about 2,500 Rand, which puts it at the top of the SkullCandy range. The SkullCandy Hesh 2 wireless headphones, also great performers, are around 1,700 Rand, and the SkullCandy Grind wireless headphones, which are on the Tech Magazine's top 5 headphones list, come in at around 1,500 Rand. These, 2,500 Rand, they're not for everybody, but if you're a bass head, nothing else comes close.